Hi dearie mummies, welcome to my lovely baby. My name is Arila. So today we want to share about Hauck Rapid 4D Stroller. So before that, don't forget to like and follow us. Hauck Rapid 4D Stroller is suitable for newborn up to 25 kg with adjustable recline. So in this position, the baby can sit up straight nicely. One good thing about this stroller is sitting position can be adjusted into a full reclination mode. Hauck Rapid 4D Stroller comes with 5-point harness and it also comes with adjustable leg rest. In addition, it also comes with center-looking buckle. The handlebar can be adjusted into multi-position. This stroller comes with large canopy and also can be extended. And don't forget about our peekaboo window. This stroller comes with large rubber wheel and rear wheel lock. Daddy mummies, Hauck Rapid 4D Stroller is really easy to fold. Simply press and pull this strap underneath. Let's go daddy mummies! So, if you like our video, don't forget to follow us. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!